Welcome to another vocabulary practice video. Let's learn the days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. These are the days of the week. Now, look at the red hearts. All days have a similar ending. Day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Can we say the days of the week faster? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Even faster? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. One last time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, and learn this. What day is it today? It's Sunday. See you next time. Thanks for watching.